What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a little few things to do. Box, so I can try to fix my radio buzz. It is annoying at the main piece. So that was the RCA cable. This is the splitter deal where I'm split off the rear speakers to the radio and amp and all that stuff. So this should work good. So let me in the car from the drive street over there to the driveway, reverse it, try to reverse it, and go from there. Go ahead and pull the speaker out. The RCA deals. So I'm gonna do all that. I need a vacuum cleaner, clean all this stuff. The dog chewed mine up. And see what my brother wanted. He was calling me. If he don't answer, I just hang up. I didn't call back. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see if it actually fixes the buzz sound, because I do have the kayhan radio. You can see it right there. Alright, so it's a little sunny and windy out there, so I'm coming in the garage real quick. I want to thank everybody for subscribing, stopping by, checking out my channel. If you like it, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got plenty of videos coming. We got a lot of projects to do. This one, my wife's G8. We'll be pulling the motor out pretty soon. Lifters went out on it, so now's the time. So it will be getting a Z01 stall, maybe a stage 1, stage 2 cam kit from TSP or BTR, whoever's cheaper. And then hopefully the cam bearings are good. If it's all good, then we'll do all that. But I gotta pull the motor out because it has a rear main seal leaking, so and everything. And then we'll find out who she wants to get it tuned by. My tuner. So the original tuner on this car is a guy in the Valley, Texas. I think it's like in Brownsville area. I forgot his name, but if she wants that guy to tune it again, I'll take it to him. Smaller pulley, has varium intake, cook headers, exhaust all the way to the Borlas. And I don't know what else is done to the motor, but I know it's stock lifters on there still. Need to lower the front a little bit, the back is a little low. I'll be painting all the stuff that I did on mine, on hers. It's a good little car. This one, I'm going to take the speaker out right now, and then I'll tap into the wires.
Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keep in the real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking.
This is out, sucker's heavy. Okay, so I think there's a wire here. Oh, I can just tap it into here. Got DS18s. I'm gonna go ahead and tap this thing in there. See how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna open this box real quick. This is the RCAs. This is a short little cable. I didn't want nothing too long because, like I said, it's just gonna go from here to the amp. Here's the splitter that I'm gonna use. Alright, so here it is. So this one has, I believe you got, shoot, I gotta find out what these are here. Then you got your RCAs red and be the left side speaker wire, and then these two will be the right side speaker wire, and then these two will be the ground to the DS18s, since that's on the factory amp. So, alright, so I got the ground right here. I did the negative and positive right there, so this thing's hanging. Get some 3-in tape, tape it up here, and then I'll get the RCAs to there. So there it is. Actually, it was to that amp over there. But here it is. I'm gonna zip tie this and see how it sounds. But first, let's check it out. But I don't hear buzz already. Hold on, guys. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. I got April showers. Alright, it's not working. Let me go mess with it again. Alright, so actually I think I have it just hooked up to the deck speakers. Let me see if I can change anything like that. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright, let me mess with the wiring that's back there. And then that should work. But actually there's no buzz. So, but it's actually hooked up as a subwoofer. So I need to change all that out again. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then see how that sounds. But other than that, it should work. Let me find the correct wiring. 257. Gotta go to work. So what I'm gonna do, I'll wire it over there. So I'll see you guys at work. So let me do some pulls on the freeway. There's no buzz, so that's a good thing. So I can do some sounds. You can hear the procharger. So let's get to work, and I'll see you on at night. Everybody's favorite 610 wheels and tires. Doesn't do it anymore. So as soon as I fix the audio, I'll show you how the audio sounds. Other than that, should be good. Alright guys, I had to pull over a little bit on the side of the freeway because the amp started like sparking and shit, and I don't want my shit to catch on fire. So let me get on back.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss.
Alright, I do gotta put gas since I do have a ZL1 pump. So with the ZL1 pump, as soon as the light comes on, you better put gas. I learned that from a mistake, so I'm gonna fill it up right now.
We the new meth and Redman. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. Fuck with the
Sounds so good. Do a little bit of work, and then whenever I do have time, I will go ahead and finish what I'm doing, and probably clean up the car. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, so I started thinking, what I'm doing is not gonna work. Speaker is a amplifier. I mean, like I said right here, amp that I was gonna tap it in there. That's actually for the subwoofers only. So I'm only gonna get subwoofer sounds. So it's not gonna work for me at all. So change of plans. And this is for most of you kayhan guys, but the kayhan radios, the voltage is so poorly done. If you have like a system, you're gonna hear a buzz or something like that, and it's just too much trouble for these radios to do it, because I have all the door speakers amped. The best way is to put that box in here, the front speakers hearing system, and then in there, then I'll go ahead and plug those in. The wires already ran across to the very back, like my previous video. I'll post a link here till today, but the guy called me back that they actually sold out, or they're getting a hard shipment from China. Heard of this windshield, so much cracks on there, put in, they actually get it tinted. So that'd be pretty cool when I do that. Get you a super cold start. Fire, man, love it. Love the whistle. Splitter's on fire. All right, let me get in the shop. All right, so what you do, you gotta like pry out from here to here. If there's a clip here and here, and that will allow you to pull the radio out. Okay, gotta take the shifter out of the way. I'll be able to pull the radio out, and then I'll find my wires, and then start tapping to the wire. My silencer deal all fixed up here, connector, and then I'll connect to the adapter for the kayhan. But here's the schematics, and it'll tell me exactly what's what. So I'm gonna just find the left and the right side, and then I'll be able to use this and then tap that in. And then so in the diagram, the first one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll use 1 and 5. Right, so I got them here. Is positive, negative, and then the ground. and then turn it on and see what it does. All right, now that I got them in there, turn it on real quick. All right, so it's like earlier in the video, April showers. Put on the radio, Bluetooth. So that's the cool thing about kayhan radio. It's Bluetooth, and as soon as you turn the car on, it's automatically connected to your phone. That's what, and it's pretty awesome. But sounds like outdoors are working. Working. That's really 9. Fucker's loud. Sucker is loud. Alright, well, still has the buzzing sound. So, that's it for today. I'm gonna work on it again tomorrow. And that sucks. So, let me figure out something else. This is a fail. What's up, guys? This is the next morning. Actually, the windshield guy is on his way. I'm going to replace the windshield on that one. I fixed the buzzing sound. I thought I fixed it, but it didn't. So, and that was a fail. I'm going ahead and order a brand new amplifier. Maybe that's what's causing it. There's a T-Son amp, so we'll see how that works. Some money out real quick, so I gotta pay this guy that's on his way so I can get the windshield replaced. You can see all the, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like all cracked, and so now you just kind of see the crack right there. And then maybe next week I'll get it tinted. ATM right over here, parked right behind this caddywhack over here. Let's see, got black on.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track now.
Alright, so I got money. Wait for the guy to show up and pay him. Check out that Bel Air. I think it's nice. Damn it, boy. Sick. So I kind of didn't want to upload the video. Content is better than no content, so I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, even though it's a fail for me. They didn't fix my buzz, but like I said, I'll just order another amp and then go from there. But I got a new windshield getting put on, so oh well. See y'all in a bit. There it is, guys. Check them out. It's a gordos auto glass. Hook it up on the glass right here. 150 bucks. Installed. Came to my house. It should be done already. I don't hear no wind noises at all. Like some people say, if you go aftermarket, you'll hear wind noise. I don't hear crap, so I'm good on this one. That should make the car look a lot better. So there it is, guys. Go give me a little goody right now. I'm putting some gas real quick. I put the sticker on the little window. Looks pretty good. So I just want to cut out a little piece of the LSA right here, and then a little piece of the Z. But other than that, it should look good, and it fits good on the window. I did it the other side as well. So other than that, it looks pretty awesome.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up.
Alright, this is where it came, guys. Right here. And a little glance of what I'm getting. Alright, so guys, so I got my little toy, and he got one too. Here's a little glance of it. Bang. That's all I'm gonna show. That's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings.